What's up, guys? I'm coming back at y'all with some Cat Mario. What's up, though? This is my jam, though. Yeah. I want it. How come this only goes up? Why don't I start at the checkpoint I was at last time? Bro. For reals? Something like that, okay. Yeah, like it's 10:09 where I am, and I just woke up. Why do I keep dying by you? Beast mode activated, let's go. Yeah, I finally got my mic to where it was like something with Bandicam. Like, I had to change it to, like, mic, real mic or something. Yeet. Ooh. I'm just gonna need to get up there right there. Hold up. Come on. I'm gonna just do Superman jump over him. Why can't you jump higher? Yes! Yes! Yeet! Go, go, go. Ooh, kill him. Okay, let's go. Antonetta? Jump, jump, jump. The funny thing is that, like, you gotta like re-get the checkpoint every time, and I'm not falling this time. Yeet. But he looks so like swagalicious. How can that big old white monster see? I was over here yesterday. I ain't gonna fall for them tricks no more. Maybe it won't do it this time. Swag. Yeah, tell your friends, like, comment, and subscribe and stuff, you know. Hold up, I got a plan. No! Why? Why can't I just go along with my business? We'll kill him. Can't touch this. I'm gonna make it this time. I can feel it. Never mind. Deuces, world. Ooh. Do what I did last time. Kobe. Gonna jump up here. Oh no! Is that the end over there? Oh my god. I'm so close. Go. Yes. I got y'all this time. Ooh. Ooh. Come on down. I jumped on it. Y'all saw that? I jumped on it. Ooh, I got an idea. Try hard mode activate. Why does he have to raise his hand up in the air every time he jumps? Okay, let's go. Yeet. I forgot about that. Why does... Nope. Oh. I Kobe'd. Ugh. Go. Gonna wait for them all to pass. Well, that's it for this video. Kilo G360XD out. Subscribe, like, comment what y'all want. Tell your friends about me. I just like doing this stuff for fun, you know. Deuces.